Hey everyone, troubleshooting network issues. Learn how to factory reset your T-Mobile router and restore default settings for a fresh start. Press the Xfinity button on your Flex remote, then select apps from the main menu. Browse or search for available apps, highlight the app you want and press OK to install. Note that only apps approved by Xfinity can be added and you cannot install unsupported third-party apps. Model 1 LTE Wi-Fi Gateway TMRTL0102. Method 1. Using reset button. To reset your LTE Wi-Fi gateway to factory settings, press and hold the reset button with a pin until the device restarts. Method 2. Using web interface. Alternatively, open your browser and go to http://192.168.1.1. Log in with the default credentials found on the bottom of the gateway. Go to Export, then Device Settings, then go to Backup or Restore. Choose Factory Restore, confirm by selecting Yes, and the gateway will reset and restart automatically. Model 2. T-Mobile 5G Gateway G4AR and G4SE. Turn the gateway and locate the reset button. Use a pen or paperclip to press and hold the button. Wait for the LCD screen count reaches 0. The gateway will automatically reset and reboot. Wait for the process to complete. Once the animated logo appears, press OK. Round symbol button to confirm the reset process. Model Nokia 5G21 Gateway. Method 1. Using reset button. Insert a paperclip into the reset port on the back of the T-Mobile Nokia 5G21 gateway and hold it until the LCD screen shows a countdown reaching 5, then release the paperclip. The gateway will reset and reboot, showing the animated logo as it powers on. While prompted, select your language like English and tap the check symbol to confirm. Your gateway is now reset to factory settings and you can set it up again from scratch. Method 2. Using web interface. To reset using the web interface, connect your PC to the gateway's Wi-Fi, open a browser and go to http://192.168.12.1. Log in using the default username and password found on the underside of the gateway or your custom login if you changed it. After logging in, go to System, then under Factory Reset, choose Reset and confirm by selecting Yes. The gateway will automatically reset and reboot. You will need to reconnect to the network and can restore your previous SSID and password to help your devices reconnect. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.